Recently, a very interesting quote by Satya Nadella came with the advent of AI, a B2B SaaS is going to be dead. To what extent do you believe in this, and how do you see the future of B2B SaaS in the next 10 years to come, actually?
Sure, these visionaries have a lot more visibility into great things that are happening across the world and revolutionary things that are happening across the world. I think there is more context to what he meant, based on my understanding, is that rather than you trying to build apps, independent apps, trying to do different things, can one conversational interface help you achieve all of them? So in a way, I can also say, so far we are learning apps, how to use a specific app, to apps learning you. This is already something we should see it, right? If you open Netflix knows your viewing pattern and recommends you.
Right.
So you open, understands what you're ordering and then recommends you. They're kind of learning what you are and what you want, right? But people spend a lot of time in learning those applications.
Right.
The apps will turn to be learning, hey, what is Varun want?
Okay.
How can I help Varun? That's what getting eliminated.
Sreekanth, can you explain it in a very simple term in terms of any B2B SaaS software we daily use, for example, Jira or Slack? Like, can it eat that up also in the coming time, or is it some kind of an overstatement to say that? Or let's say any other daily use B2B SaaS?
So these, Slack and all these are more like a coordination, right, collaboration tools. You're collaborating with other human, so it's not much. It's application is specifically learning or trying to do. For example, if you're automating your marketing campaigns, to send, I want to show, I want to scale Varun Pandey's AIgnition's podcast. Right? What you do, you run YouTube ads, you run Instagram ads, and you create different kind of content for different things. What if Varun just comes to this, like there is some automated platform where it comes, says, hey, I am Varun, I have this podcast, I want to scale this to this type of audience, can you just help me? Right? It says, okay, great, can you give me some examples of the podcast that you've already done? Right? You have given a couple of links. Okay, great, now I understood what are the type of content that you create, and now all I need to create is different kinds of copies for your Facebook, for your Instagram, for your LinkedIn, for YouTube, and it creates all that content. And it says, here is the type of audience you should target so that you can maximize your viewership based on your content. Then it can generate that or curate that audience criteria for Instagram, for LinkedIn, and then also push them to that applications.